Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tejasri Sri Ramoju from Telangana. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, thank you so much for studying with me in Study With Me sessions. I too feel so good about my work that I uploaded sessions with consistency without fail. Before starting this series, I felt like it was very easy to sit and study together, but it's not because I need to check the light, camera angle, and no one should disturb me during the session. And finally comes internet issues. This all came on my way, but somehow I tried my level best to manage the things. These days you and me studied together just because of being consistent. In the same way, in our studies the outcome may not be that perfect as our expectations, but the only thing matters is if you try to be consistent towards your work, it automatically drives you to do better than yesterday. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है दैट एक या दो दिन पढ़ाई नहीं होती एंड आफ्टर दैट वी फील वेरी डिमोटिवेटेड, वी फील वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड आउट एंड एक्सट्रीमली वर्थलेस. Then we don't even have guts to start our preparation again. But that's the time you need to analyze yourself. These days I'm trying to maintain daily routine, but I'm unable to do it. There are many distractions, functions, movies, chilling out with friends or siblings. Finally, I messed up again. I remember the days when I used to be very stable with my mindset, spending the whole day in studying, solving many problems, completing targets, and striking off completed chapters. These made me to feel very strong and focused. I used to tell no to everything and everyone. Those days made me to give one more chance to myself in preparing for the exam once again. कहता है कि कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है और कुछ करना भी पड़ता है. We are left with 1 week in this year. I'm so scared that the year is going to end. Some people are eagerly waiting to step into the new year and party with friends. But coming to me, I'm not feeling to party. I have many thoughts of completing more weightage topics from the syllabus, how to revise and how to practice daily. How many of you can relate to me? But it's okay. I believe that I can do this because I'm not new to studies. I habituated to study consistently with complete focus. Now I need to improve myself and prioritize my studies. On this note, I wanted to ask you that how are your studies going on? If you are very honest and focused in your preparation, then it's good. But if you feel the same with me, then you need to fix it for sure. I'm analyzing my mistakes and working on them. So you too search the things where you lost. To be successful, one must accept all challenges that come on their way. You can't just accept the one you like. So let's be prepared to face the obstacles that come on our way. I always remember one thing, that everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, then it's not the end. Whenever I feel low and can't even take one more step forward, then I tell to myself that I have come so far. You to remember your strongest moments where you felt very hard to take a step forward, but you took and didn't give up easily. No one knows that you worked so hard to come this far. Some may be waiting to start their preparation with full josh from January 1st. Sorry to tell that it's not gonna happen. Think if you miss that day by wasting your time, then that feeling kills you a lot. It's nothing but stabbing yourself. If you ruin that one day, you will lose your control on that week and remain messing up that whole month. Then no one gonna help you. You will end up sitting alone and crying in the corner. Oh god, it's too scary to imagine, right? So you don't need endless time and perfect conditions to start your preparation. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Do it now. Do it today. Do it for 20 minutes and you automatically get on track.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
By the way, there's a news to share with you all that it's been 1 year. I have started a YouTube channel, 27th December 2021. I entered this beautiful platform where I found friends like me and learned many things in this journey. Compared to everyone, my channel has very few subscribers, but you mean a lot to me. I hope I'll reach out to many aspirants very soon. Thank you for staying with me. I'm so thankful to share my experience in studies. Hope that you will have a good study week and that you'll ace all your upcoming tests and exams. If your syllabus is over, then it's never too early to plan daily, weekly, monthly schedule for a new year. So get an early head start now. Be consistent with your studies. Rather than results, it gives you confidence to study more day by day. By this, I'm wrapping up this vlog. It's never too late to start something new. I hope this video motivates you to study well. If you feel the same with me, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for further studies together. Thank you for watching my study vlogs. See you in the evening in Study with Me session at 7 o'clock. Let's study together. Bye bye.